Hello guys, now today's topic is entropy. Entropy is the measure of degree of freedom or disorder or randomness of any system. And entropy change is an extensive property. Mathematically, entropy can be given by this formula delta S is equal to Q reversible by delta T kilojoule per Kelvin. And entropy means of that random degree of randomness. Entropy of the solid are least where the energy is less. Entropy of liquid is greater than solid, and entropy of gases are greater. That's why the one question is there: entropy of boiled egg is greater or normal egg. Now, in the normal egg, there is a watery substance, albumin, that is liquid, and boiled egg is solid. So, entropy of the boiled egg is less. One more question I am getting remembered here, that is, it is on the basis of first law of thermodynamics. We cannot have free lunch. Comment on the statement. Comment on the statement. Its answer is based on the first law that we cannot have something without giving something. Means of that first we have, if I would like to explain you normally, we are spending the money and then getting something. We are having the lunch because of that we are doing work. So we are getting energy by doing work. So this is what the explanation that we cannot have free lunch. Now come on back on the entropy. Entropy of phase change. Entropy of phase change we can give by this one: delta S is equal to delta H by T. And then one more is there: entropy of fusion. Entropy of fusion means of that ice is changing into water. So we will give this one delta S of fusion is equal to delta H of fusion divided by change in temperature delta T. So in this way we will find out the entropy. Now our next topic will be, that is the Gibbs free energy, which I will explain. Gibbs free energy will also tell us the spontaneity of any reaction. In the next class, I would also like to discuss the enthalpy of reaction. Enthalpy of reaction we will discuss in this class. Wait for a minute. How to determine the heat of reaction? We can determine the heat of reaction. Suppose that one example is given: CH4 combustion of methane will give you CO2 and water, and we have to find out the heat of the reaction delta H. There are two methods: heat of formation of product minus sum of heat of formation of reactant, or the bond energy of reactant minus bond energy of product. So if we would like to find out the answer, delta H is equal to goes 4 carbon and hydrogen bond are there in reactant, plus 2 oxygen bond are 2 here. O2 can be represented by O double bond O, and it is 2. Then minus 2, and there are minus 2. Minus 2, and carbon oxygen bond are how many there in the reaction you are watching? 2. plus 4 OH bond are there. If we take out the water 2H2O, in this way you can find out the energy, how to determine the heat of the reaction. So, and there are so many type of enthalpy of fusion, enthalpy of evaporation, enthalpy of sublimation. We have to go, suppose that if we would like to find out the enthalpy of sublimation, delta H of sublimation. In sublimation we are doing what? We are going solid to gas. Our answer will come heat of vaporization minus heat of solid. Final minus initial we have to go. So these are little bit one or two formula which I got forgot in the enthalpy of reaction to discuss with you, and these are important. Next class we would like to do the Gibbs free energy. Thank you guys. Bye bye.